Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm back. It's been a long time. I'm back from my sister's wedding, and I'm back from being sick. That was fun. But yeah, now I'm back. Streaming schedule should be regular, somewhat. But today we'll be working on my Vigia game because I want to do that. I wanted to do that on Wednesday, but I got sick, so had to postpone it till today. And I wanted to get on earlier, but that didn't work out so good either. That's whatever. Anyways, I think I need to redo the whole restream chat thing. Doesn't seem to be working too well as an overlay. But I guess I'll fix that some other time. Anyways, so yeah, we'll be working on my Bomberman game. There's only not that much left for me to work on. Just have to do a few things. Let me just show you what I got so far. And I completely forgot to plug in my controller. Hold on. Eh. Oh yeah, might want to unplug my phone. Okay, there we go. My mic is starting to get a little bit worse, which means I'm gonna have to get a new one soon, which is bad because I don't have enough money for that. Alright. I got my controller. Let me bring this up. Where is it? Where are you? Was it screen capture or monitor capture? I think it was monitor capture. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so this is what I have so far. Let's play a game tonight. Hold on. I forgot to maximize on play. There we go. Start game! There he is. Welcome to game. I need to put in a loading screen. Gotta remember that. So that I can load all the assets so it doesn't take forever to get into the game. Maybe I should... Ooh, excuse me. Maybe I should make a whole loading thing at the beginning of the game. I don't know. Oh! Also, I just seen, what's his face? The completionist video on Bomberman. How crazy is that? Oh, check this out. I made a little chest once all the enemies disappear. And once we go to the chest, Link Cap. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this hat. And you can equip it. Oh, shiznit. I need to fix the bug where you can still lay bombs even after you go into a menu. Or a pause menu or whatever. Even with the treasure chest and stuff. So yeah, there's still a lot we have to do. We're just going to be working more on the hat system. Because it's actually kind of flawed. Because you'll always get the... Right now it's set to like... If you spam this room, specifically, you'll just get all the hats. Just killing all the enemies here. I don't want that. I want each hat to be specific on a different level. In order to do that, I have to rework the whole system. Which is what we're gonna do today. Got him. Like cap. Yay. Also, the cap doesn't really... The hats don't really mold well with the player sometimes. Kinda don't know how to fix that, but I'll look into it. Also, if we go to the next level, the hat will disappear because I haven't made it persistent yet. Which we will. Soon enough. Don't worry. Also, I'm not sure if I showed my my little second enemy here last time I streamed this game. But I made a little second enemy. He shoots stuff. Dude. Nice. Oops. That sucked. Hey, Super Pro, welcome to the stream. Right now, I'm working on my game. I'm just showcasing what I have so far. Got myself my second enemy, which is in the middle right there. And I showed off the hat system in the last level. Oh, whoops. Went right through that. Wow. I did not program that. I'm gonna have to fix that. Alright, well, you get that picture. Let me show you the hats. So, I have it so that whenever I defeat all the enemies in one level, you get a little treasure chest that appears in the middle. And that treasure chest holds a hat. Dexterous Dexter uses bombs. Boom! See, look at that. Link Cat. Alright. So that's that. Let's actually start game developing. Oh, Half-Blood Pixie, welcome to the stream. It's true. Trap sent you? Oh, sweet. Okay, so, yeah, so I was just showcasing my game. Trap, I'm glad you're here. I wanted to show you something. Alright, so, I looked on the website on getting OBS, and the latest release is 22.0.2. That sounds cool. Sounds like they've been working on it for a little while, right? Yeah, that's cool. Know what version I have? You can't see it, but it says version 0.659B. I got a beta version of OBS. This is old. I don't even know why I didn't update it. It's been so long. I'm an idiot. You're multitasking 3 streams? Nice. Congrats on climbing that mountain. You climbed the mountain? Oh, shoot! Oh yeah, didn't you say you were climbing the mountain? I think. I'm not exactly sure. I've been in and out on streams, and I've been sick for the past couple of days. Yep, time to upgrade. Some old stuff. Yeah, that is old. If they made a version of the program, if they made one version of the program every year, my program would be 22 years old. And it feels like it too. I'm surprised I managed to do stuff now with it. But yeah, next time I stream, which will be on Monday, I'll have OBS installed. Yeah, OBS Studio installed, and everything should be honky dory. Although I'm gonna have to learn all this stuff now and have to transfer some of the profiles. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. Anyways, let's go to my nope, not that. Let's go to my notes, see what was the last thing I was doing. Come on. There we go. Okay, so, oh, that's right. I started doing JSON files, because they're much more easier to do when you have so much data that you want to save, like hats. So I started doing a JSON file. So we're going to convert the system, the hat system that I have now, and convert it so that I use as a JSON file to save whether I have unlocked the hats or not. It's going to be much easier. 8.5 hours? Oh my god. Now you're the strongest woman in the world. Alright, so the next goal that I have to do is make the player controls, specifically laying bombs button disabled when pause menu, goal menu, reward menu is up. That I can do easily. We can do that right now, actually. And implement JSON save data hat file with a game to keep track of locked and unlocked hats, like I said before. Okay, so let's do the whole player control thing first. So where's my script here? Player controller, here we go. And now I gotta wait forever for Visual Studio to start up. Oh, we need music. Moobot's up, so if you guys can, like, start suggesting songs, because I have nothing in the playlist. That'd be nice. It's, what's the command? It's, exclamation point song request, and then the link to the song. Because I'm lazy to put songs in here. You've got a sore throat? Oh, man. That sucks. Sore throat is no bueno. Drink some tea or water. Or tea. Or water. Or tea. Drinking hot cocoa and drinking hot tea. Also, I promised that I'll have a lot more new overlays for my stream, too. Potato Dex has been on there for far too long. His reign is about to end. But don't tell him that. This thing forever. What about water mixed with tea? Boom, genius idea. Hey, I hate to break it to you, Trap, but tea is water mixed with leaves. I'm sorry, it was a good idea, but it was flawed too. Genius, farmer. Genius. Alright, here we go. Okay, so let's move down to the error list. I need a new theme for Visual Studio. I keep forgetting to do that. Whatevs. Alright, so what we need to do is find the player movement code and edit it a little bit. If input.get button down, debug, lay bombs. Okay. Do 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 do. Huh. Hold on a sec. I think. Wait, does this have a reference to any of the? It does. The menu script. Okay, let's track it. Let's see where it's at. Pause menu and tile map. Just the pause menu? That might be a slight problem, actually. I might need the menu script. Where's the menu script? There it is. Does it reference the player at all? No, it does not. Okay, this is going to be a lot harder than I thought. Oh, wait, yeah, it does. I'm an idiot. It's right here. No way, I totally discovered this idea first. It's mine, and I claim it. Okay. Whatever you say, Trap. You are the smartest one. Okay, here we go. Lose life. Oh, I managed that in the menu script? Oh, this must be like the game manager script. Naming stuff is hard. Okay, so it references the player so that it can get destroyed when it loses all its lives. Or no, when it gets actually destroyed. That's... Okay, so that's actually pretty good. Does it actually search for the player, though, automatically on start? It does not. Oh, I referenced it in the... Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Okay, yeah, so this is going to be a lot easier than I thought. Let us go back to the player controller, and let's add a... Jesus, there's a lot on the player controller. Let's put it right here, under lay bombs. I'm going to add a new method. It's going to be public void. That's not void. That's BIOC. Public void. We're going to call it disable controls. Yeah. We need a variable. I think we need a boolean variable. Where are my bulls at? Call this private bool. Nope. Is disabled. Are you guys disabled? Because that'll be bad. It's a Genius Productions. Codester plays. I'm a codester. Alright, so is disabled. We're going to be using this, so let me copy that. By default, it's true. No, false. Sorry. And then all the way down here, we're going to do this. Whenever the method is called, we're going to do equals the opposite of whatever it is right now. This is how you toggle between true and false on a boolean. You say this boolean is equal to the opposite of the boolean that it currently is at. So for example, if the boolean is disabled is true, then it would equal not true, false, basically. And vice versa, if it's false, then it'll equal true, which is a great way to do that. Easy, right? We're not done yet, because this method does not get called at all anywhere. So we're going to fix that by calling it one place here in the player controller, and a couple of places in the menu script. Now I just have to find where I'm going to put this at. Double name pun combo. Oh yeah. You're on a roll, Super Pro. Alright, let's see. Where is... Okay, so we're gonna do player number 1 first. So we can test it out. So if input dot and player number 1 is 1, I think we're gonna have another if statement. If hold on, how was I gonna do this again? Oh, right. If the pause, no, stop. The pause menu active self, the local active state of this. Okay, yeah, active self equals true. Then we're gonna call this. I'm gonna disable the controls. Actually, this is all in an update, right? Okay, yeah. So we can actually just say return. We don't have to do disable controls. We can just say return. Turn. Actually, you know what? I got another idea. But I have to look at all this first. Okay, so pause menu, goal menu. No, that's goal menu. Game over menu. Then we had the treasure menu, but that's in the other script. Okay, yeah. I got another idea. I don't even think we need the method. Here's what we're gonna do. If pm.activeself equals true, or menu script dot gm dot active self equals true. Hold on a sec. Okay, so they're all public, so I should be able to do them all. Or menu script dot GOM, which is game over menu, active self equals true. Then you return. You don't do anything here. Okay, so yeah, that should work. That should work for the pause menu, the goal menu, and the game over menu. The only menu we're not taking in account for is the getting the hat menu, which is it referenced? I don't think it's referenced here. Oh wait, yeah it is. No wait, that's the hat, that's the sprite renderer. No, it's not. That's fine. Or should it be, wait, where the heck is it? Dar. Tile map, springs. Hold on a sec. Let's go back to the game. We need to open up a scene. Main level. Ooh, that's zoomed up too much. Hat manager, no. We need reward menu. That's what it's called. Ooh, excuse me. Hat display? Interesting. Player, controller, player. Oh, references to player. Interesting. Oh, so if it already references the player, then I got an idea. I have an idea. Yes, select. We could do it right here. Player dot. No, I made it private. So, wait. What was the name of the stupid method that I can't find right now? Oh, here we go. Disable controls. Copy menu. No, hat display. Disabled controls. Oops. Yeah, there we go. And then we do it again here. There we go. And we have to do one more thing. Is disabled. Really, the only thing we're disabling is the spawning of the bomb when we press the button. So if input that kit button and is disabled equals false, then we're good. I think that should work. Let's test it out. Oops. Oh, that's gonna crash the game. I always try to start at the beginning of the game, not one of the levels, because then the things won't get referenced and all that crap. Blah blah blah. Main menu. Here we go. Hope you guys are having fun looking out all my code. Why is my mic so close to me? Damn, it still does that. It's not what I wanted. Alright, let me test it out on the other thing. Yeah. Oh. Okay. It worked for that, but it didn't work for the other thing. Also, there's a null reference. Why is that? What? How is there a null reference to that? Nunny? Find object type, player controller. Yeah. So, what gives? That's weird. Let's test that out again. Wrong button. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Hat display. Toggle. How does that make any sense though? I think I know why that happens. But let me test it out again. Once it lets me. Oh, sorry guys, that's too small. Actually, no, I need to see the errors. Okay. Blowing up rocks, cause that's what I do. I'm the bomber man. Okay, yeah. I know what happens. I think since the... Wrong one. Since the rewards menu is not active when that level starts, it doesn't find the player first. It just... Oh, that's weird, though. Where is... Okay, so, yeah. So how the heck do I, This I did not plan through. Why did I need the player for this anyways? Oh, for this. Yeah, that makes sense. So then, that's a bit of a conundrum. Alright, first things first. I think I can fix this. So, let's do that first. Disable controls. Nope, that didn't work. Oh, wow, this... Why is this so hard? I think it's because I have so much code. I don't know where I would effectively put it at. So then... What is the dealio? Mafilio? Unrealio. Oh. Wait. I know exactly what's the problem. the ordering. I think it needs to be after we lay the bombs. Let's test that out. Alright, I need music. Where's the music at? Need music. Sure, Sonic stuff. Okay. Yeah, so let's test that out. That pisses me off. Wait. That should work. Why is it not working? Alright, time for some debugging time. Alright, where's the player? Here we go. And the player controller. Debug mode. Here it is. It is disabled. I'm gonna look at that while I try this out. Yeah, it never gets enabled. So what the heck is with that? That should work. Why is it not working? Debug hype. Am I missing something here? Oh, I already have like a fail-safe if the pause menu is active, but it doesn't work because obviously it still puts out a bomb. So what am I doing wrong? I don't understand. Why this doesn't work for me. So stupid is disabled never gets true, but why? It should get true because we're calling the method. Right? I don't understand. Unless the game checks to see if it prioritizes the UI first before it actually prioritizes everything else. If that's the case, then when it turns off the pause menu, it goes straight to the player, and the player thinks the pause menu is not there anymore, so it just lays a bomb. If that's the case, then holy crap, this is harder than I thought. I don't like this. This is not good. This is not working for me. I'm gonna have to delete this because that does nothing and it's in the way. It's the same thing as this. Disable controls. What was it again? Let me go back. Menu scripts. Okay, yeah. Redo. Alright, I could just say this, and then, because the same thing as saying if it's true or not. Menu script gom dot active self, and I forgot to do this. There we go. All right, let's test that out. I highly doubt that will work, but let's try it out anyways. And we'll turn on debug mode again. Okay. Ooh, excuse me, sorry. Habits at a Jesse's, we go to melancholy victory and blast don't stand. Alright, where are you? Oh, it's still on, good. Disabled. Okay. Dex reception. Whoa! Okay, pause. What the hell? You see that? It's turning off and on all by itself. Interesting. And this is the only place where it actually calls it, because it's an update. But the whole thing is paused. Why is it doing that? Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, I think I know a way around this. Whoops. Okay. Okay. I think I know a way around this. If I do this, is disabled equals true. Right? Yeah. And then I have to make it false eventually. Somehow, someway. Well, I guess not really, because in the pause menu, Oh hey Viper, welcome to the stream. Yeah, long time no see, bud. I'm just trying to figure out this complex code that shouldn't really be complex. Okay. Okay. So I know why it wasn't working in the first place. It was because of the return method up here. Okay, that makes sense. What doesn't make sense though is how do I do this? Why is there a commercial playing? Oh boy, this is hard. Hey, I made a poem yet? Poem today? Would you like to? Oh, you made a poem. Okay. Would you like to read it? Yeah, sure. I'd love to read it. I like poems. Okay, so... Alright, let's just test this out to see if it actually works. I know it's not, but... let's just test it out, and I didn't meant to do that. Is disabled false? That shouldn't work, but let's test it out. And after all this time, you're back for more. So I'll take what's mine and start this war. You and Mr. Always dying, rising higher. I'm gonna need to view this. This is an illusion. Open up your eyes and as pain persists, I can't. Okay, so right now it's disabled. So if I press the restart button, we shouldn't see a bomb appear under the player. God damn it. Oh, that didn't work. Let's just test it like this. This way, it's gonna be disabled forever, kind of. Oh, wait, that actually might work. Let's test it out. Alright, pause is disabled. And if I press A... okay. So if I press A again... holy fuck, it worked. Guys, it worked. And I'm sorry for the language. It worked. You just put it in chat? I didn't get the... why didn't it show up in a restream? Oh crap, I don't even have restream up here. Oh, I'm an idiot. Hold on a sec. No looking back. You and I were on the attack. Full speed ahead. Right into the sunset. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. Oh no, wait, no. I can just see it in Moobot. Duh. I'm an idiot. Oh, it's not here. Are you sure you put it in chat? I don't see it. I would usually see it right here. Maybe try resetting it. Alright, so this works because, let me explain. If I put is disabled true here and make no method to make it back to false, it will always be true. But since the pause menu only has the restart and quit functions, you'll just restart or quit out of that without the hold on a sec. There's actually one thing that might actually mess up with that, because you might want to unpause the game and actually play it again. That scene. So let me hold on. Yep. Just like a dot. Okay, I can fix that actually. Where is the menu script of the pause menu? Here we go. Pause menu toggle. I think I only wanted to toggle when we are right here. Player dot disable. Wait, what? We have the player, right? Oh, it's a game. Oh, okay, it's a game object. We didn't actually search for the stupid thing here. Durr. Okay, that's fine. We only need to do it once. Player dot get component. Player controller dot disable controls. There we go. Now it should work. With buzz bombers in the air. I guess it's too long to send it in chat. Time for Plan B, my original Reddit post. Okay. I didn't know that was a thing, for it to be too long to be sent in chat. That's kind of weird. I've had long chat. Maybe that's something I have to configure so that you can send longer ones. I don't know. When people look at coding, they think it's very hard. Because it is. It is pretty hard, especially if you're doing advanced coding. But to be honest, when you're just beginning, it's just simple math, to be honest. If that's greater than that, do that. If that equals that, do that. If that's true, do that. It's really just that. So yeah, let's test it out. Now, when I pause the menu, when I pause the game, the pause menu comes up, and when I unpause the game, I should be able to drop my bombs just like normally. Pause, unpause. There we go. I can lay down my bombs. Now, if I pause and press the restart button, there won't be a bomb under the player just before the scene restarts. What? We just fixed that. What the heck? Hold on a sec. Oh, because... Oh, freak. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, that's really annoying. Oh, I'm back in square one. Okay. It calls this no matter if I'm picking a button or actually pressing the start button. So there has to be an instance where this gets called only when I press the start button when in menu mode. Really, the only way I'm thinking of doing that is to just copy and paste code, but that's really unorthodox. Why is it so hard? Oh, he sent out the thing. Okay, I'll look at that in a minute. It's really just math, math, math. That's why I love math. I love math too. Math is awesome. Boop. Oh hey, it's Doki Doki Literature Club. I'm not afraid of that game at all. Anyways. Whose memory is that? I think I know. Its owner is quite sad, though. It really is a tale of woe. I watch her frown. I cry. Hello. She gives her memory a shake, and sobs until the tears make. The only other sounds, the break of distant waves and birds awake. The memory is amazing, blissful and deep, but she has promises to keep. Until then, she shall not sleep. She lies in bed with ducks that weep. She rises from her bitter bed with thoughts of sadness in her head. She idolizes being dead, facing the day with never-ending dread. Bravo, man. I like it. I need to stop reading poems that make me sad. Yeah, this was really good. 92 vote, not bad. Oh man, I've been on Reddit in like so long. It's crazy. It's foreign to me. But yeah, this poem was really good. I'm guessing you got a little inspiration from Doki Doki. It's pretty cool though. I like it. Alright, what was I with my dilemma?
Hey guys, I'm Shawn Mendes.
What does our start do? Load scene. Okay, so that's only for the pause menu. For the game over menu. Oh boy. Math is fire. What's HP? Hit points. Or health points. Whichever you want to call it. Shiznit, how do I... Let me, comment this out for now. Okay, so the problem right now is player controller. It's always true, but then like it's annoying. Oh boy. I don't need this anymore. I mean, I don't think so anyways. I have to put this in here so that I can be able to lay bombs normally. I press the resume button. See, this is a problem. This is not particularly a problem for the pause menu. It's going to be a problem with the reward menu. Because when I press any of the buttons on the reward menu, it goes back to gameplay. And when I go back to gameplay, I don't want it to lay the bomb on the player. So how the hell do I fix this? Let's take a dive in aquatic mine. Once was a cold pit, but now it's a water ride. Okay, so here's an idea. I'm gonna change this into a I enumerator. Let's see. Yield, return, new, wait for seconds. I don't think that's how you spell yield. Yeah, there we go. 0.1 F. And then the menu, yeah, this should work. Oh wait, no, that's not gonna work. Dot start. Hold on a sec. Dot start coroutine, and then in parentheses disable able this. Wait, what? Start coroutine. The heck? Disable controls, yeah. What? Why is it not letting me do that? The name disable controls does not exist in the current context. It shouldn't exist in the current context. It should, unless, wait. I can't do it that way? That's weird. Okay, plan B. Player controller PC equals, wait, I use Python? Oh, sweet. I actually wanted to learn Python for a little bit. Don't know why it stopped though. I go by Majin, my boy, 642 on Reddit because Viper XPN is actually taken. Oh, that sucks. That's bad because someone might be impersonating me on Reddit. Maybe. Don't worry too much about it though. So, Cosmic, so you code with Python. What do you code? Like games or just like apps and stuff like that? Well, what did I just do? equals player dot blah 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 blah. Destroy all this because we don't need that. And then PC dot start coroutine. Disable. Able. What? Am I doing this wrong? Public enumerator, blah 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 blah. So what the heck? Unless I do it like this, start coroutine, PC dot disable. Yeah, that's how I do it. Okay, yeah. That's kind of stupid, but okay. I could do it that way. Oops. Okay, start coroutine player controller like blah 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 blah. Dot disable controls. That and then that. There we go. Alright, that should work. Hopefully. Maybe. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Open your heart. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it is a remix of Open Your Heart. I like it. Ooh, kick. Alright, so pause, unpause, bomb. Good. Now then, pause, restart. Still does the freaking... Oh, that bothers me. Oh, that bothers me so badly. Okay. Let's make the delay a little bit bigger. Oh. Can I show you one more of my Reddit posts? Yeah, sure. I know this remix is the K-Club remix, if you're correct. Yes, you are right. Good job, dude. Start, bomb. Good. Start, restart, still a bomb. Oh, jeez. I don't know what else to do. This doesn't work though, so I might as well just take it off. I had listened to it a lot in the past, so I would know it. Oh, sweet. Samatagi? What's that? Nani? Yeah, I don't know what that is. And hold on, my long, but I will never let it go. Oh boy, I'm sorry guys. I thought I was gonna work. I thought I'd be working on the hat system, but this is eluding me. And now that I'm deep into it, I want to fix it. I just don't know how. I legitimately do not know how to fix this.
Love is a force. It has the power to change the world.
Now I'm multitasking 2 streams since one of them stopped streaming. Oh wow. Good job, Super Bro. You know, if all your streams that you were streaming or that you were watching the streams on was on Twitch, you can do something called multitwitch.com/ the names of the Twitch streamers, and you get to see all of them at once in one page. It's quite useful. But it's only for Twitch though. Solomon Pagi is good morning in Malay. Oh, I did not know that. That's cool. Good morning. Bitch did not just ignore my good morning. Now I get it. Call tech support? I am tech support! Oh boy. This problem is so big that I do not know how to solve it, that I'm thinking about just changing the buttons. Excuse me. That's how much I don't know how to fix this goddamn problem. Oh boy, it's quite annoying too. It's a Technical Trap Productions. That's a technical trap. Man, I love this song too, and I feel so bad because I can't fix this. Oy. You know what? I'll just leave this alone. Let's focus on the hats. The hat system. So let's go to the hat manager. This code right here, we need to redo this whole code. In fact, it says it right here. Replace code below with a switch. Ah, that's what I was going to do. Switch statement based on the index of the scene. That's actually pretty smart. Good job, past Dex. You're welcome, future Dex. Alright, so... Alright, gotta go now. Take care. Alright, see you later, Cosmic. I'm glad that you stopped by, at least. Alright, let me look over this code because I actually forgot what I put for this. Alright, current hat index. Okay, that's good that we have that because we need to have that match the index of the scene. Hat to spawn equals... Right, because hat to spawn is a, no, hats is the array. Hat to spawn is the actual hat we want to spawn. So we need a switch statement. I actually forgot how to do switch statements. Hold on. Let me see. It goes like switch. Here we go. Oh, wait, did I put on scene manager? Good. And I want here current scene index, right? So scene manager dot current, no, what? Current scene? Wait, no, create scene. No, that's stupid. Create an empty new scene at runtime with a given name. Why would you ever want to do that? That's a little weird. Well, I guess for some instances, that makes sense. Oh, here we go. Get active scene. Guess a currently active scene. Yes, here we go. Wait, no. Does that even work? How does this work again? Okay, so a switch expression or case label must be a bool character string, integral, enum, or corresponding numeral type. Can it not be a... Okay, yeah, it can be an int. It's not an int? Oh, wait. That doesn't work. Okay, that's fine. Wait a minute. Does the hat manager... The hat manager is, yeah, save. The hat manager is, it's just on here. Okay, yeah. No, wait. But I would want it to be on there too, so wait. I'm so confused. Okay. Actually, no, I got it. Freak out over. I got it. On start, I want... What the hell did I just do? Oh. Well, we're back here, I guess. I forgot how switching goes, but I'll look that up in a minute. We need, U2 Super. Let's see. We need the current at index. Is it current at index we want? Yes. Current hat index equals that thing that I just did. Scene manager. Get active scene. Copy. Paste. Get active scene dot. Wait, how did I do this before? Menu. Application not quit. Scene manager load scene. Speak with your heart. Speak with your heart. Oh, build index. I'm an idiot. Alright, hat manager. Get active scene dot build index. There we go. That's what I wanted. Current hat index. Together we can take a stand. Don't fall apart. Speak with your heart. Alright, let's look online real quick to see how switch statements work, because I completely forgot the syntax of it. Unity. Unity. Always take it with you back to the start. Imagine, build, and succeed with Unity. Learn. Tutorials. Scripting. Switch statements, here we go. Whenever it wants to play. Alright, so switch is the variable that is checking, and in the case of that number, the end of every case there's a break, which makes sense. Where's their default though? Oh, default was okay. I get it now. Okay, got it. That's easy. Case. Let me look at the scene indexes from the build menu. Alright, so the first level for this is 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 from 10. Got it. 6. And then case again. Wait, no. That's how that works, right? Yeah. 7. Break. Oops. 8. Just setting it all up. 9. Oops. And case 10. There we go. Hold on a sec, guys. I got a call. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so I set up the cases. So in case of the first level, which is case 6, we bring out, wait. I might want to change this to something else. We need another, int, a private int, called, current scene index. That's what I want. It can equal anything, really. Alright, so current scene index is what we're going to use. And then in case of scene index, once my mouse wants to work with me, then we can change current hat index. Current hat index equals 0. No, 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 giving me a little mania. 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 Oops. Little fun fact, if you try to do a switch statement with less than, I think it was 5 cases or 4 cases, the game will automatically convert it into if statement, if else statement.
About showing up for other people.
The reason why I'm well, the reason why I'm doing it in a switch statement is because I'm gonna have a few more hats in the future if I ever want to expand the game. Why is everything going to shiznit? Okay, here we go. Because as you can see, I currently have only 5 hats, with the first hat index being 0. Because games like to have freaking like to start at 0 when they count. Gotta go have a sore throat that supplies a unpleasant experience. Yeah, it does. I'm sorry about that, Super Pro. The fever I have isn't helping. Oh, you have a fever? Dude, what are you even doing here? Like, treat your freaking fever. I mean, I know you're probably bedridden and you watch other stuff, but still, treat that fever, man. Hope you get better. Alright, so we set the current index. We can actually keep this if statement, just change it around a little bit. We're going to keep this. The current hat index is less than the hat's dot length. Hat to spawn, current hat index. Instantiate. Spawn chest dot get component. I think that's all we needed, actually. We didn't even have to replace the code. Once I can actually do this, thank you. Yeah, because the whole switch statement can actually only be applied to the current hat index, because that's all I need to change. Seven rings in hand, with just one single hand. 7 rings in hand. Alright, so we're good, actually. Actually, no, not really. There's still a few things we have to do because... Actually, no, not really. Let me test it out right now. Oh, we can take off debug mode now. We don't need no more debug mode. Terrible. Nothing at all just means is all as if none as ever as is. Act to fact, make real of all that seems. Make real of all that seems. 7 rings in hand, speak tonight, speak in sand. 7 rings in hand, wonders all under command. 7 rings in hand, while with just one single hand. 7 rings in hand, road hearts catch fire now. Memories they dance, fairy tales and trance. No one to believe. Ow. Whoa. Yeah. Really wish I could fix that. I'm still having a null reference exception. Oh, I think I know why. Wait, no, what? Why do I have a null reference exception? Oh, because I left the stupid thingy in there. The stupid code in there. By accident. Hat display. Stop, stupid fly. Yeah, here we go. We don't need this anymore. In fact, I think we only need it right here. Wait, is that right? Well, we would need it only right here if I didn't set up the other thing before. So, let's comment it out right now. Because we might need it later. Alright, so... we converted into a switch statement, which is great. Now the hats are to the scene that they're in. The scene that they're in. The next thing I have to do is where's that JSON file? Here it is. Whoops, didn't meant to open it. Alright, so right here is where we keep track of what's unlocked and what's not. So we have to put it in. Hold on a sec. Okay. Okay, I know how I'm gonna do it, but I don't know the syntax of doing JSON coding by heart, so I have to look at a video to do this. Because this is the JSON file, and it shows hat 1 through 5. The false means that it hasn't been unlocked yet. So here's what we're gonna do. We are going to pause this for a sec. Go to, where did I find it at? I think it was CodeMonkey. I got way too many playlists. It's not here. Heh, how to be a poser. Code monkey. No, that's not what I want. There it is. Excuse me. This is a new YouTube channel that I started following, because he does like a little bit more advanced coding techniques, like level design through texture, which sounds awesome actually. Saving and loading. Stuff like that, you know? Graphs. Freaking graphs. I think it was this one or some other one. I can't remember. Anyways, here's the JSON video. Taught me how to do the JSON stuff. That's small. Let's see. Why do you comment that out? Okay, so debug.log, player data. Jeez, I don't remember this. I'm gonna have to watch the whole thing. Okay, the beginning of it is just like the syntax of it. I already know about all this. Skip, skip, skip. Skip, skip. Wait, go back. Oh, that's from, okay, yeah. New player data, player position, blah, blah, blah. Oh, here we go. JSON utility dot to JSON, and then there's another one that says from JSON. So I gotta find that from JSON one. I think it's somewhere at the end. Yeah, here we go. Wait. Oh, confusion. Maybe if I keep watching. compelling stuff that I'm doing right now. I know. This is what it is. Okay. Here it is. But that's writing to. I want writing from or something like that. Application dot data path. Okay, here it is. Okay, so how am I gonna use this? Oops. File dot read all text though. Maybe I just want to watch some. Wait, how do I read some text? Let me test this out. Let's put in using, what was it? Unity or System? System.io. Got it. System.io. Boop. Not every stream could be an action-packed edge of your seat drama. Yeah, I know. But because of that, I lose viewers, which sucks. But I really like to stream myself like doing work so I can actually do the work. Otherwise, I wouldn't do it. Okay, okay, so just remembering what I needed to do. Had to spawn. No, I need to check something right here before anything else. I need to check if the hat to spawn, or the current hat to spawn, if it's already unlocked, then we don't have to do all this. So, if hats array, and it's going to take in, oops, not that, and it's going to take in current hat index dot name, yeah, dot name. Wait, do I want that or what? No, hat name, my bad. Hat name equals oh, I didn't even set it up yet. String called JSON equals, what was the syntax again? File dot read all text. Here we go. JSON dot file dot read all lines, all text. Opens a text file, reads all lines of the file, and then closes the file. Opens a text file, reads all lines of the file, and then closes the file. Wait, what's the difference? What's the difference between read all lines and read all text? Read all lines of the file. It's the same thing. That's weird. Unless... Oh, because... Okay. This one is for an array. This one's for just one. That makes sense. Okay. Wait, no. I said it as a bool. I just realized that. Wait, how the hell do I work this? How does this work? I don't understand JSON files. Because it has... A JSON file has a name and whatever value. So, well, I guess it's the name of the value, but how do I... Wow, this is really hard. I don't understand this. Unless... Oh, wait. I got an idea. I got a perfect idea. The Grinch had a wonderful, awful idea. I just gotta see how I can flow this through. I could store the JSON information, not all of it, just one of it. Oh, that's another thing. How do I store just one part of that and not just all of it? Because currently the JSON file is 5 things on there. I don't want it to read all 5 things. I just want it to read just one part of that thing. How does this work? I could put in an array so it can show all of it. And then use the current at index for that too. And then that could work. Yeah, that could work. Let me try that. Wait, no. My bad. It's supposed to be over here. And then read, what was it, all lines? Yeah, read all lines. And then it takes in a type? Why would it take in a type? Read all lines. Oh, no, it doesn't. Never mind. My bad. Application.datapath. Okay, yeah. Application.datapath. What else did I need? Plus / save file.json. Okay. Where did I put that JSON file at? Because I need to know. Save data, hat data. Wait, where did he put it at? He put it under, I can't see that. He put it in what is JSON. I guess it doesn't really matter the name of the folder, just matters the name of the actual file. Because I think it will just find it either way. Right? I think so. Yeah, let's try that. Plus syntax has to be perfect. Okay, here we go. / the name of it was hat data. Hat data dot JSON. Invalid expression. Where? Oh, I didn't finish that. I didn't finish the if statement. Okay, so that's stored in an array. So let's do if JSON current hat index canonically convert type to string to bool. Wait, what? If current hat index what was I doing? At current hat index wait, so that's a string? Wait, why would I even put it as a string? Because it has the name and the bool. So how do I... What the heck? I don't understand this.
Alright, that's it. We are reading the text that we saved previously. So let's see that. It's stored on data from what is JSON, how it's structured.
could not put it into strings. No, I have to put it into strings. Do I? Because the file read all thing, yeah, it has to be into a string. Unless I say... Freak. How does this JSON stuff work? I thought I understood it, but... Dafuke. I don't understand. Guys, I'm incompetent. I don't know what to do. Just gonna play some music. // That's not how it works. I'm an idiot. // // There we go. That's how it works. I commented that out. Here's what I'm gonna do. Debug.log. We're gonna log in the JSON array. Does that work? Will it syntax and value expected? Yeah, it's expected value. Okay, current hat index. Fine. Let's do it that way. Let's see what we get when we debug that. We actually should see this line right here. Problem is, how do you convert that into a Boolean? Because it's already so goddamn confusing. I don't understand how you convert something on file into actual value that you want it to be. I'm gonna have to look up another video. It might be actually under save and load video of CodeMonkey. I think they have the answer. Oops. They have the answer. And at any time, if this is boring to you guys, just let me know. Then I'll do some more coding that I actually know how to do. That's what I'm representing. Never seen a Mike Hogg spitting like a menace. Wild Canyon fun, I gotta catch that, huh? Ooh, oh, ooh, oh. I got an error. Let's see, file not found, exception. You could not find the user dex documents, GitHub, Spark, blah, 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 blah. That's the whole thing about that. Project assets. Oh, I was supposed to make another extension, which was save data. That was my fault. So over here we'll have / save data and then hat data. There we go. Give up the emeralds or die. I don't love you. Yeah, you know how it is. Dun, 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 dun. The private field. Okay, I don't care about that. Alright, try that again. Okay, I actually didn't meant to do that. I just wanted to check. What? Oh. Wait, that makes no sense, but how? So do I even need the brackets? I'm so freaking confused right now. That makes no sense. I'm so confused. Did I write the JSON file wrong? This is pissing me off. Okay, well, just for testing sakes, though, I still need to see that line, so let's do +1. Whoops, not there. My bad. In the brackets. Oops. Off. Never change code while the game is on. That was a mistake. Alright. Whoops. Oops. I'm good at games, guys. Learn from your mistakes, dude. Dude, I'm in uncharted territories. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. I've never worked with JSON files at all. This is literally the first time I've done it. Which, I guess it is a mistake on its own. Should have practiced before I streamed. I guess I was being a little bit ambitious. I apologize, senpai. Forgive me. I think after this Bomberman game, I want to make a simple card game. Because that'll be a little bit easier. Actually, no, it'll be a lot easier. Because to be honest, I don't like coding physics-based stuff. Like, even just moving, it's kind of annoying because I kind of hate Unity's physics. It's not the exact physics that I want, ever. It's so hard to change them to get the results that you want. I don't meant to do that. I'm looking... What am I looking for? Here we go. Space. I think I did wrote the JSON file wrong. I don't even think I need the brackets. I don't know, but let's look at the video that I said before. And if we can't figure this out, then we'll end the stream. Save, wait, hold on. Save and load, simple saving and loading from a file. Simple saving and loading with JSON to a file. Let's go with that one. Shut up.
In this video, we're going to learn the simplest way for saving and loading data in Unity using JSON as our file format. Let's begin.
The heck?
Hello and welcome, I am your Code Monkey, and in this video we're going to learn the simplest way for saving and loading data in Unity using JSON as our file.
Loaded. But it seems like he only loaded the string. What the heck is the point of loading the string Oh, wait, no. He appeared over here, which was that position, I guess? That was weird.
File format.
Whatever. I guess I'll learn. Gotta shut up and learn.
So here is our scene that we've been using to test saving and loading. There's a player character in here. I can tell him to move around and tell him to mine these nodes. As you can see, the gold amount increases. The goal is to save the gold amount and player position. So first we set up saving and loading using the player prefs, which is a very simple way of storing persistent data in Unity. Then we looked into saving and loading using save files. We'll learn how we can write and read text from a file and how to create our own file format to store multiple values. Now in this video we're going to use JSON instead of our own file format. If you're interested in what is JSON and how it's formatted, you can check out my previous video that goes into the details of the JSON format. So let's check out the code. Here in the game handler we have a save and load function. We're currently set up to save using a save file. First we grab all the data that we wish to save. We store it in a temporary string array. We join that array using our save separator, which is a constant defined up here.
A what?
Join that array using our save separator, which is a constant defined
Oh, a constant string. Got it.
up here. Then with the final save string, we simply save it into our save file. Now, instead of doing it that way, we want to use the JSON utilities functions that are part of Unity to serialize and deserialize a save object. So let's begin by making a save object and seeing how JSON works in Unity. So let's go down here, and in here we're going to make a private class and let's call it save object. This will contain all the data that we wish to save. So for now, let's just make a public int for our goal amount. Alright, let's leave it at that just for starters. Let's go up here onto our await, and in here let's instantiate the class with a certain amount of gold. Make a save object equals a new save object, and we're going to set the gold amount to, let's say, 5. Now let's
Didn't meant to do
serialize
that.
this
My bad.
object. To do that, we're going to use JSON utility dot to JSON. This receives an object, which in this case our save object. This function, as you can see, returns a string, which is the JSON representation. So let's make a string JSON, which is our JSON text. Now let's simply print it out, do a debug.log of our JSON string, and see what happens. Alright, as you can see in here we have a correct JSON representation of our save object. You can see that it stored the gold amount as 5. Alright, so we can now convert a save object into a JSON string. Now let's do the reverse. So let's take our JSON string and convert back into another save object. For that, we're going to go again into the JSON utility, and now we're going to use the from JSON function. This function is a generic, so it takes the type of object that we wish to load, which in this case is a save object, and then we receive the JSON string. So that, and this whole thing will return an object of type save object. So save object, let's say loaded save object. So now let's do a
Oh. Oh. I kind of get it. I think I was using the wrong thing. Let me see if... Yeah, I think I was using the wrong thing. Let's, Okay, let's, freak. This. I don't need this. Come on, mouse. Oh my god, mouse. Okay, if you're not gonna work with me, just comment out. Okay, so let's try this. Bool array called JSON and equal it to JSON utility dot from JSON. Oops. Of type, I don't know, bool? And then how did he do it? from JSON. Oh, okay, so if I do this, but call it, I don't know, file JSON. I don't know, doesn't really matter. Oh God, mouse, I hate you right now. Oh, I hate you so much right now, mouse. There we go. Cut. From the file JSON, I guess. Right? That's how that works, right? Argument 1 cannot convert from string array to regular string? Nani? Oh, duh. I'm an idiot. Value expected, of course. Because it returns only one of them. Does it? Wait. Current hat index. Cannot explicitly convert type bool to bool. Because it's only one. So then, why doesn't this work? Because then it's a string? I'm so confused. Oh, because... Okay. It's trying to get one string value. But I'm using a string array value. And then when I put in... And then when I put in the current hat index to make it one string value, it says it can't explicitly convert type to... Oh, because the one bool into the... That makes sense. Fine, let's just do that then. So then... we can just do this, I guess. Plus 1, I guess. Because then it's just going to do the first line. And the first line is nothing. So that would be a bool. So if I debug and .log it, then it should say... It should say false, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, it should say false. Cheer pig, don't you cry. His special is a rummy and pie. Magical Trevor is back once again. He's doing tricks that will drive you insane. How does do them? I wanna know. He's got a magical toe. Start up the gig, here comes a pig. Look at Trep's toe, it started to glow. What will that trick be? Don't let that pig be. Yumma, what happened? Trep sums up the crack and I just died. Oops. Did it again. I'm good at this game, guys. Gotcha. Alright, so in the debug.log, I'm looking for it to say false. If it says false, I think... What's happening? Argument exception, JSON parse error. The document root must not follow by other values. Must not follow by other values. I'm so confused. What's the error? Document root must not be followed by other values. But it's only reading one line. It's not following. Oh my god. I don't understand this.
Print on the unloaded save object dot gold amount. So do a debug.log of the unloaded dot gold amount, which should
Oh my god.
return 5. So let's see. Yep, there you go. The first one has the JSON string containing 5 on the gold amount. Then the second one loaded that string into a save object, and the save object now contains a gold amount of 5. So now that we know how to convert to and from JSON, let's apply that to our save and load functions. Now first, we need to go down here and expand our save object to also store a vector3 for our player position. So a public vector3 for our player position. Previously, we were storing the x and y separately, but since we're using JSON, we can easily just serialize a vector3, making our save file much simpler. So now let's go up here on the save, and instead of creating all of this string, let's erase this, and in here we're going to create a save object, which will be a new save object, and we're going to set the fields of the gold amount to the gold amount that we defined up here, and also the field for the player position to our player position. Alright, so our save object now has all the correct fields. Now again, do the same thing that we did up here. To get the JSON string based on this save object, then we take that JSON string, and that's what we use to save in our save file. So let's run the code and see if our save file now correctly contains a JSON string. Here I am. Let's go down here, mine a couple of gold. So 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so that one has multiple things. So how does it pick it out from that line? That's what I'm guessing. Maybe he might show it.
Does indeed contain a JSON save string. So now that saving is working, let's set up the unload function. So here on the unload, first we are correctly loading the save string by reading all the text. Okay, that is correct. Now we're no longer going to have the contents as a string split, but instead as a save object. So we're going to use JSON utility dot from JSON. We're going to use the save object type, and we're going to use the save string that we loaded from the file. This will return a save object. Now we can erase all of this, and we're simply going to use the save object dot, in this case, set the position to the player position, and go into the save object and set the gold amount. So we are loading our data based on a string stored in our...
That doesn't answer my question, but this is probably telling me that I have to do it his way, which I don't want to do it his way because I don't think it works that way. Or I guess it could if I reworked it. Hold on, let me work this out in my brain. So if I make my own public class, call it hats unlocked, make them all booleans for the different hats, save them on file for some reason. No, declare them, and oh god, this makes no sense in my head. Oh boy. Okay. Let me look at some of this code. He saved it to
Vector3, making our save
let me see
file.
this again.
So now let's go up here on the save, and instead of creating all of this string, let's erase this, and in here we're going to create a save object, which will be a new save object, and we're going to set the fields of the gold amount to the gold amount that we defined up here, and also the field for the player position to our player position. Alright, so our save object now has all
Equals player's position. Is it even worth it to do all this Jason stuff? I mean, it kind of is, but for like, if I'm making a lot more hats in the future, and I really want to learn how to do this stuff, I can really just do player prefs, but it's kind of inefficient. Don't let the man tell you what to do. Kind of have to, because I don't know if my way is right. Oops.
the correct fields. Now again, do the same thing that we did up here to get the JSON string based on this save object. Then we take that JSON.
Okay, so he's saving two amounts to a string, to a JSON string.
And that's what we use to save in our save file. So let's run the code and see.
And then
if
when he
our
writes
save
it
file
out
correctly
in the
contains
debug.
JSON string. Here I am. Let's go down here. Mine a couple of gold. So 1, 2, 3, and now let's say move them in here, and now hit save. There you go. He saved. Now let's check out the save file. As you can see, the save file contents does indeed contain a JSON save string.
Okay, so he saved it like that. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, so my way, I'm thinking, I had to make the JSON file first, not by code, but like from however I made the JSON file, so that I can declare first and foremost that as a new player, you haven't unlocked anything, so everything is false. And then as the game goes on, I want it to write in whenever the player unlocks a hat, I want it to write into one of the lines of the JSON file and change it to true. But the way he's doing it doesn't seem like I can do that. Let me keep watching.
That the contents as a string of the unload function. So here on the unload,
Why does he sound so
we are
low?
correctly loading the save string by reading all the text. Okay, that is correct. Now we're no longer.
Did I? No, that's hi. Is my headphones dying on me? I think my headphones are dying on me.
Let's set up the unload function.
Okay,
So here
it's louder on the
unload,
right side for some reason.
We are correctly loading the save string by reading all the text. Okay, that is correct. Now we're no longer going to have the contents as a string split, but instead as a save object. So we're going to use JSON utility dot from JSON. We're going to use the save object type, and we're going to use the save string that we loaded from the file. This will return a save object. Now we can erase all of this, and we're simply going to use the save object dot, in this case, set the position to the player position, and go into the save object and set the gold amount. So we are loading our data based on a string stored in our save file. We convert that into our save object.
Interesting. That's in a private class. No, it still doesn't work that way. Unless I wrote the JSON file wrong, like I said before. Okay, I think I know how to do it, but let me keep watching.
And then we load the correct data into our game. Alright, so let's run the code. Okay, everything is on default. He's on 0, 0 with 0 of gold. And now if I hit load, yep, there you go. He went in there and now he has 3 gold, which is exactly what we saved. So we now have our save system working with a very robust and standard file format. Now let's just make this a bit more robust and make a save file folder that can handle multiple save files. We're going to make it automatic to create the folder if it doesn't exist yet.
Okay, so he's just gonna explain how to do save files. I don't care about that. Okay, so I think I know how to do it, but first I have to rewrite my JSON file. So let's put back on the music. And hope to God that this works. Alright, I need this open. Alright, so I think I wrote this wrong. It's supposed to be getter, right? I'm not even sure. I think if I write it all in one line like this, it should work. Just like how he did it. Wait, where is it? Yeah, up here. Yeah. Because that's how the game reads it and writes it. So I might as well make it how the game reads it. Makes sense to me, right? Alright, so now that I've redone this like this, we can go to File, Save, exit out of there. Then we gotta replace some files. Where the heck is the... Here it is. My computer's acting up, so I'm gonna sign off for now. Talk to you later, dude. Alright, see ya, Trap. Thanks for sticking by my boring stream. Let's see. Where the hell is this at? This is at the documents, and I think I put it in the GitHub folder. Like an idiot. Oh wait, no. That's not what I want. Go back to this. I need, here we go, JSON file. And then replace, let's delete this. Delete. Yes, delete. There we go. There it is. Oh, what? No, I didn't press. Come on, stop it. Alright, so now it's reformatted better, in a way. Let us go in here and make us a new public class. Where did he write it at? Because that's pretty important. Okay, it's still in the actual... Is it in it? Yeah, it is. Let's go in here and make a public... No, private class called... unlocked hats. There we go. How do you format it, though? Oh, that, just like that, okay. There we go. Now, in this private class, we are going to have the same amount of hats that are in the JSON file, Hat 001. This is gonna be a. Hold on, how did he do it? He did public. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, public bool hat number 1. And then public bool hat number 2. And so on and so forth. There we go. That's how that works, right? Yeah, it seems like how that works. And then I can make... when did he make a... Oh yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Ooh, excuse me. Alright, so... Live and learn. If you beg or if you borrow. We would actually need to store this somewhere else because we're actually going to use it again when we get the reward, so we can save it to... Unless it saves it... No, it's not going to save it there. It's going to save... Where am I going to save it? This is a little bit confusing here. There's a fascia to fall so far and wide. There's a place where you dream you'll never find. Hold on to what if. Hold on to what if. Live and learn. Hanging on the edge of tomorrow. Live and learn from the works. Okay, well, I think I could put it in here. What did I call it? Unlocked hats. Yeah, there we go. Unlocked hats. Unlocked hats. Yeah, that works. And then I can do over here. Unlocked hats. Live and learn. Sorry, my brain goes to blank when I'm put on the spot. That's why I have to keep going back and forth. I apologize. Saved objects. Screened. Jason utility to Jason. No, I don't want that. Or do I? I'm on the flesh. This kid is up next. Here to represent Knuckles only on a test. I'm running to death. Okay, so the thing that I have now, I don't want to write it to a JSON file. I actually want to read from the JSON file. So we should be looking at loading, I believe? Crap bones decapitate. File that exists application dot. Oh yeah, I should do that for us failsafe, but later. Actually, no, I shouldn't. Not for this game, because it has to have the hat's save file. I guess players could accidentally delete it, so whatever, doesn't matter. Call me Knuckles. Ooh, buy a B button. Da-da. In the way. I need to sight you. Don't want to say ignite you. Dun, 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 dun. Save string. Text pop-up mouse. What the heck is that? Oh, I see. No, I don't. Like a seems like a hairdo. Singles coming back to back. I'm in the hood when you never seen a thugger ran. Who's the man? Who's the man? Who's the one that can? Alone at any time, anywhere, in any land. See Spax and I'm a sound ran. Since I was born, I've been training just to take a stand. Alright, what? Man? Call me Knuckles. Alright, so file string Spinbo. So that's taking it from. We don't actually need this array. Not anymore. Oh, that just F's everything up. Let me just do this, because we don't need that anymore. We'll take it back. Oh yeah, we need text, not lines anymore. Yo, my mechanic doctor is eating Bonics with me. If you apparonic, getting by it like Sonic, no matter the generation or the toss you claim. When you get done, maintain crush for remains. Okay, got it. From Jason of type of unlocked hats, and then unlocked hats equals that. And then we can do it unlocked hats like that. Can we do that? Hold on. Let me double check. KTE Cypher. KTE Cypher. Actually, we can do it.
When I picked up a guitar. Until I put that first video up on YouTube, and until I wrote that first song.
Unlock hats dot. It is in my blood. Hat number 1. Yeah, we can do that. Let's save that. Let's actually do 2 debug.logs. What is with this commercial? Stop. I wanted to do the file JSON thing. See what that's about. I can't do this alone. Actually, I don't want it there. I want it before. Oops. Durr. Undo. There we go. Alright, let me read this. So file that read all text from the JSON file that I already have in the file, and it puts it all into a file JSON string. It'll show that in the debug log, and then the file JSON string is going to be converted into the unlocked hats using the JSON utility, and then it gets read out to the debug. So let's see what that entails. God, I hope this works. With you beside me, building it through. So much firepower. Kick! Oh, well. I'm good at games, guys. You cannot run, you cannot hide. Oh! Guess we can see your strength inside. Yes, you fall if you may falter. Alright, what are we getting now? Argument exception, JSON parse error, missing a name for object member. What? Missing a name? What? I'm so confused. I did everything. I did everything you said. Oh, jeez. Okay. I don't know what's happening, because I don't understand this. Let's put the debug.log before this. See if that works, so I can see what the hell is happening. Argument exception, JSON parse error, missing a name for object member. Did I write that wrong too? I'm so confused. Only one can know. Oh, did I just... Oh. Wait, I don't think I meant to do that, comma. Maybe it was the way I wrote it. Whoops. But let's check. Okay, so hats, false, 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 false. Okay. Does it need to be named exactly what it says? Let's see if it needs that. Let's actually name it exactly what it says. What was it? L C Okay, so LC CB PW come on. PW SHTH. LC. How will I know when I get there? And how will I know when to leave? We've all gotta start from somewhere. It's right there for me. Possibilities are never ending. I see it, I see it. And now it's all within my reach and this possibility. Oops. That sucked. It's always been inside of me. Now I feel so free and this possibility. Oops. Okay. Thought the blast was big enough. Okay, no, so it's not the naming convention, I think. Let me try one more thing. I have to replace the file again. And I already see the possibilities are never ending. I see it, and now it's all within my reach and this possibility. I see it now, it's always been inside of me, and now I feel so free and this possibility. We don't need this, there we go. Okay, that should work. Save. And then delete this. And then put this in back in here. And then go in here and make this a capital L and capital C. Capital CB. Capital PW. Capital SH. H, thank you. Capital TH. Oops. Let's see if that works. And now it's all within my reach. I see it now, it's always been inside of me. Now I feel so free, and this possibility, and this possibility, and this possibility, and this possibility, and this possibility. And that's one of my favorite songs of Sonic 2, and I completely ignored it because I was trying to figure this out. Whoa! Holy crap! Did it work? I just had to match the names. Okay. Okay, that's actually really good. And Faust is. Oh my! I think I've got it. Okay. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, guys. This is good. This is really good. Alright, so we wrote it to a file, and then we put that file into the unlocked hat object, or whatever we can call it. Now that it's in there, he told me ooh ee ooh ah ah ting tang walla walla bing bang. Ting tang walla walla bing bang kata kata ooh ee ooh ah ah ting tang walla walla bing bang. Do. Alright, so then, alright, so what I wanted to do with this is, so Okay, so now we have the whole problem of how to match a bool with an index of a number. I would have to do it by hand or by case. Wait in your heart. Ooh ee ah ah. Ooh ee ooh ah ah. Ooh ee ooh ah ah. Ooh ee ooh ah ah. Ting tang on a bing bang. Come on in. Ting tang on a bing bang. Ting tang on a bing bang. So that means I would have to move all this code to up here, I think, and then check to see if unlock hats dot whatever hat case we're in is already unlocked, then we return. Yeah, that's how we do it. That's exactly how we do it. Okay, cool. X place, give that some room, also give that some room, and then if we go over here, if unlocked hats dot hat number 1
Love is a force that has the power to change the world.
equals true. I could just say it like that. Then return. We should be done like that. Okay, cool. So then we can pretty much copy and paste that to all these other ones and change it from hat number 1 to hat number 2 dot hat 2. Same thing over here. Four, yeah. Alright, we're almost done, guys, don't worry. Okay, so that's to check if the hat, if the first hat is already unlocked, then we return and break out of this whole code right here, which is great. Yeah, and we don't need this. Now the next thing we need to do is when we do get the reward, I don't think we need this anymore, right? No, we don't need that anymore. We need this again. Put it here. No, wait. No. We need to set it. We need to... Okay, how do we do this? So, this is reading from the file and putting the file into this instance that we have right now. When we get the reward... Where is it? Oh, when we get the reward, depending on the current index of the hat in the array... that hat will be checked off the list. So we would have to change... Oh boy. So we would have to change it in there and then save it onto the file. And to save it onto the file, we do to JSON. Right? I think that's right. Not all text application path JSON. Right, all text. Save text. Okay. Yeah. I think that's how that works. That sounds about right. Alright, so let's like a switch statement. Switch current based on the current hat index. Scene index? Hat index. Scene. Let's say hat index. Based on the current hat index. No. Okay. Case for 0. One, two, three, four, five. So then, based on the current thingy, we'd want to write. Okay, yeah. We'd have to do it. Unlocked hats dot the first hat. Thank you very much. Equals true. True. I'm gonna do this for all of them. Alright, so, and in any case, we're going to write whatever's in here to the JSON file. So, we will need to do, I know how to do this. String file JSON. I'm gonna say write all. What was the syntax again? JSON utility. JSON utility dot to JSON object. The object is the unlocked. Oops. The unlocked hats. Okay. Let's reread all these code. Okay, so spawn the reward. Let's make sure the hat to spawn is equal to null. That doesn't really matter, just double checking. We are going to read all the text from this file and save it into this string. Ignore the debugs. From the file, the string, we are going to read that in to the unlocked hats. And then, whatever the case may be of the current scene index and the current hat index, as long as it's not unlocked, then we can keep going to this line of code and spawn the hat, or the treasure chest with the hat inside of it. Once the player opens the treasure chest, this gets called the got reward thing, and then whichever hat he got, let's say the first one, it will save into the unlocked hats to true, and then we're going to save unlock hats into the string file so that we could save it into this JSON file. Perfect. I did it. I think I did it. The only way to really know is to actually play the game. Supersonic warrior in a ticking fight. Toot sonic warrior ever in your mind. Nothing can survive when we can stay alive and dig and try. You can do anything. Supersonic warrior. Toot sonic warrior. Nothing can survive when we can stay alive and dig and try. You can do anything. Okay, now I understand JSON files now. This should work flawlessly. Almost flawlessly. Actually, no, it's not gonna work at all. I don't think I ever set the get reward thing. Did I? Let me double check that. What script would it be under? Hat display? No. No. I know what script it'll be under. I just don't know the name of it. Let me search for it. It would be under audio bomb boss chest. Here we go. Everybody, now you get your feet right on the ground. It's just supersonic racing. I can comment this now. Oh, I might want to stop the game though. Oops, didn't meant to do that. So yeah, I can uncomment that out now, and it'll get the reward. When does this get called? Oh, because, oh yeah, right here. On trigger enter, if the other tag is player. Go again. Don't fall behind. Back in heaven. Okay, so yeah, this should work. 4, 3, 2, 1. To Sonic Warrior, to Sonic Warrior. Yeah, all this should work. Let's go back to the game. To Sonic Warrior, to Sonic Warrior. Toot Sonic Warrior. Toot Sonic Warrior. Nothing can survive when we can stay alive and you can try. You can do anything. Toot Sonic Warrior. toot toot Sonic Warrior. Nothing can survive when we can stay alive and you can try. We can do anything. Haha, sucker. Dun, 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 dun. Whoops. Got him. Okay. Looking at this should change. Interesting. That didn't save, did it? Hold on. Let me restart. Spiel, you make a deal with no hesitation. Crawl, walk, or run, you had your fun, which is very certain. Okay, so it did save. Oh, right, yeah, right here. It did save. Question though, why didn't it write to the file? Let me click off of this. Yeah, because it still says false. What gives? Oops. I'm falling free in the wind, free in the wind. Okay, so it's reading from some file, but it can't be that file because that says, oh, now it says true. Okay, so it is working. For some reason, it's not updating here, though. Oh, there we go. Okay, that works. Yay! Freaking works. And then I can always come in here and change this to false. Save it. Come back into here. And then, yeah, it's false. Oh my god. We freaking did it. We finally did it. Yes. Alright, so it's still not perfect. Well, actually, no, it's actually pretty good. We just have to have an options menu for the player to choose between which hats they want. Also, I have to make it so that the hats get persistent throughout the whole game. I think I can do that with the current variable I have. With oh no, I don't have it here. I think it's a local variable. Yeah, it's a local variable. Okay. Alright, I want to do a few more things first. My bad. No, wait, what did I do? Okay. Come on now, race, everybody. Gotta get your feet right on the ground. Hat manager equals find object of type. No, wait. There was a instance. I think it's under here. No, I don't think it will be here. Or would it? No, it won't. Where's player controller? Start. Here we go. Yeah, manuscript dot instance. Okay, yeah, that's how I do it. So in hat display, it'll be hat manager dot instance. There we go. Everybody supersonic racing. Gotta get your feet right on the ground. Let's make another variable in hat manager called let's make it public and call it it's another hat. Yeah, make this a hat and call it persistent hat. There we go. Except I don't want this to change in the expector, so we're gonna hide it in the expector. Hide in expector. I'm only making it public so that hat display can get to it. Persistent hat equals hat R. That's not gonna work. I just realized that because the hat manager does not persist through scenes, which is good because no, that's not good. Is it good? Hold on, let me go to the hat manager and see there it's start. The audio manager doesn't get destroyed. Does that have a start? It has an awake. And the awake is instance equals this. Don't destroy and load. For each sound S in sounds. Gotta sue spaceman, time to get hell. What's this? Can't fly or cry. I just couldn't float. Hope I don't die. Meteors coming my way. You can. Gotta go straight into the moon. Crown don't pay. See to the middle. Act that face. I think that only happens. Yeah, that only happens once. Does it need to happen again when it gets initialized? See, that's what I don't understand. If you don't destroy it on load, does the start function start up again in the next scene? I guess I'm gonna have to experiment on that one. Alright, so let's go to Alright, let's make a comment, call it test to see if start function still gets called if this script has don't destroy on load. Just to see if start function still gets called if the script has don't destroy on load. Alright, I think that's enough. Let's save that. Alright, I think we did enough for today. Well, actually, I'm going to do more off stream, but let's stop streaming because we've been streaming for a little while now. So thank you everyone for... Oh, hold on. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope everyone has enjoyed. It's been pretty fun hanging out with you guys and working on my game. To be honest, I probably should have stopped streaming like an hour ago, but who cares? On Monday, I'm going to stream again. Working on... What am I going to do? I think I'm going to work on my webcomic. Yeah, let's do that. Because I need to get back to doing my webcomics and stuff. But after this, I'm just going to keep working on my game. Because I'm really into it. But yeah, until next time, guys, go make magic. See you later.